isolate either x or y in one of the equations. So I want to get x or y by itself. The easiest thing when you're looking at the two equations is this one here has a coefficient of 3, this term has a coefficient of 1, this has a coefficient of 7, a coefficient of negative 2 here. Pick the term that has a coefficient of 1. It just makes your life easier. So I'm going to pick this top equation, 3x plus y equals 3. And isolate y means I want to get it by itself. So the 3x, because it's positive on the left-hand side, when I move it to the right, it's going to be negative. Order doesn't matter. You can write this as y equals 3 minus 3x or negative 3x plus 3. So I'm kind of writing it in slope-intercept form. So now I've written it with y isolated. So y equals 3x plus 3. So now I'm going to substitute what we know y equals, which is the negative 3x plus 3 is what y is. I'm going to sub that into the equation you didn't use. So subbing that into that second equation, I'm going to get, subbing it in, I get 7x minus 2, and then the negative 3x plus 3 gets subbed into that second equation, equals 20. Expand, collect like terms, and then I'm going to solve this for x. So first step, let's multiply this negative 2 through the brackets. So I get 7x plus 6x minus 6 equals 20. I'm going to collect my like terms, which is 7x and 6x are 13x minus 6 equals 20. I want the x by itself on the left-hand side, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. 13x equals 26. Divide by 13, and we get x equals 2. Substitute this value into the equation where we isolated y, and we'll get y equals negative 3 times 2 plus 3. Y equals negative 6 plus 3. Y equals negative 3. So my solution is 2, negative 3.